Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled A Messier Moment for Tempel 2. So what do we see here? Well, here we see two fuzzy objects in the sky. To the left, we see comet Tempel 2, and to the right, we see the globular cluster known as Messier 30 or M30. Now, the Messier catalog of over 100 objects that were not comets. Now, looking at them here, we can see the very distinct difference between the two objects. They look nothing like one another. However, we have to remember we're seeing them with modern telescopes and with photography, where we can take longer exposures to bring out detail. Through a telescope back in the 1700s, when Charles Messier was putting his catalog together, they both would have looked like fuzzy objects in the sky and would have been difficult to distinguish from one another. That means when he was trying to search for comets such as Tempel 2, he would often see these other objects that then didn't move among the stars, and that was the key. Something like a comet will wander among the stars just as the planets do because it is a part of our solar system. However, an object like Messier 30 would remain in the same place and could therefore be cataloged, given a designation and the coordinates where it is located, so other comet hunters would know that this is not a comet and therefore could move on. They would know that if you're seeing an object at this location, that we know we're not finding a comet. Now, this image was taken just a week or so ago on July 29th. Looking at the comet as it happened to pass close to this globular star cluster. Now, if you note the very faint dust tail stretching back from the comet towards the right-hand side almost seems to go right through the star cluster. Now, of course, that's just perspective on the sky. It's really not anywhere near the star cluster. The comet itself is within our own solar system, only a few light minutes away. Whereas Messier 30 is tens of thousands of light years away, much further off in the distance, just happening to be located in roughly the same part of the sky when this image was taken. And that is one of the things we have to keep in mind anytime we look at things in the sky. It looks like everything is on a great celestial sphere, all the same distance from Earth. However, everything is at greatly varying distances, and sometimes you have a wide variety such as we have in the image today. You have a comet, which is part of our own solar system. You have stars relatively close to us within our galaxy, many of them probably hundreds or thousands of light years away. And you have the globular cluster tens of thousands of light years away. So all of those things in the same image, on the same celestial sphere, but actually at widely varying distances. So that was our picture of the day, titled A Messier Moment for Tempel 2. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Contemplating the Sun. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.